Oh, look how the light is shining out of it. Like what you see. Let's make it then. Hello all, hope all of you are fine and well, and today we are going to make a candle stand with an already used bottle and organza fabric. To take the exact size for the candle stand, put the candle on the already cut used bottle and cut two pieces of that bottle to make the base for the candle stand. Now we are going to cut petals, and we are going to cut 15 petals. The measurements of the petals are 9.5 into 3 centimeters. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would say consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. That said, let's start working. I am going to cut the organza fabric to make the petals. I wanted something new and something transparent but lovely so that the light could shine out of it. Now fold the fabric, pin it up so that the fabric won't slip, and start cutting the petal. And always remember, the petal should be narrow at the end and wider at the top. Just a very slight round at the top. Don't cut too much fabric. I'm going to burn the petal using the spirit lamp. If you haven't got it, you can use a tea light or a candle or a lighter, whatever you have. Firstly, skewer all the edges of the petals because it's fabric, and secondly, uh, it's in two folds, so I wanted to skewer it and to stick it as well. Now to give a proper shape to the petal, first of all give it a bit of heat, then put both of your thumbs in the center of the petal and bend it outwards. This would make a beautiful cup in the middle of the petal. And now give a crimp at the end of the petal to give it the shape of a perfect petal. It's a kind of rose actually. This candle stand is going to be in shape of a rose. Make 15 petals for one candle stand. Now we are going to cut the leaf, and the measurements are 7 into 4 centimeters. 7 centimeters is the length of the ribbon and 4 centimeters is the width of the ribbon. Cut 4 pieces like that. Fold the ribbon in half. Again pin it up so that the ribbon won't slip. Now start cutting the leaf. Give small cuts in a slant at the edges of the leaf. Start burning the edges, and those beautiful slants would turn into spikes or in a spiky shape. This would make the perfect leaf of the rose plant. Skewer those edges we have made. Now make the main vein, and to make the main vein I'm using the same tongs I almost use in all my videos, and start burning it. To make the side veins, keep your leaf folded in two, then hold it in a slight slant with the tongs and start burning it. Your side veins would be done. Your leaf is ready. Make 4 like this. Now we are going to stick the petals to the base of the candle stand, and I'm using hot glue gun for sticking these petals. To give this petal a perfect curve, I am using a broken brush. You can use a different tool, whatever you find handy. Stick the petals in a circle. First of all, make the outermost circle, and then the inner circle, and then the most inner one. After sticking the first petal, I put the second petal a bit behind the first one and then stuck it, and I have used this technique in sticking all the petals. When the first circle is complete, start making the second circle and then the third. After third circle, I didn't make any other circle because I had to keep a place to put the candle, because it's a candle holder. Your last circle is complete, I mean the third one. And now we are going to start sticking the leaves. Stick all the leaves at the bottom of the candle holder. Sorry for the traffic noise, but it's kind of a rush hour out there. Your candle holder is ready. I am going to put the candle. It's an LED candle so that you can see the effect. I have made 2 candle holders. And I really like the pink light coming out of it. Maybe you can't see it in the camera, but it's really lovely, this pink light. Have a nice day.